So friends, today we will talk about antenatal exercises for first trimester. Number 1 exercise, neck stretches. What you have to do, place your one arm under your thigh and other arm over your ear and then stretch it. Hold for few seconds, at least for 10 seconds, and then relax. Repeat same on your other side. Second exercise, shoulder elevation and depression. You have to lift your shoulder towards your ear, hold for 10 seconds and then relax. Number 3 exercise, protraction and retraction. You have to take your both arms backward, hold for 10 seconds and then relaxed. Next, fourth exercise, butterfly stretch. To place your toes in this position and hold this stretch for the 10 seconds and then relax. Exercise, bridging. You have to lie down on your back and then you raise your pelvis. Hold for 10 seconds and then relax.